Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing the source into Media Encoder and immediately choosing a container and preset that match your delivery needs. Choose MP4 for broad compatibility, then set a concrete target bitrate or file size goal so the encoder optimizes toward a measurable result. Once done, make sure to enable the estimated file size and preview a few seconds. That gives you feedback before heavy work. This first step steers every subsequent change, so pick a realistic size and device profile now. Now you refine the encode. Reduce resolution when acceptable, because scaling from 1080p to 720p gives large savings for most viewers. Select variable bitrate with 2-pass encoding to concentrate bits where needed. Set a modest average bitrate and a slightly higher max. Use hardware acceleration to speed up encoding, but check visual quality after switching. Once done, trim or crop unnecessary frames and avoid changing frame rate unless the source demands it, because that can introduce. Finish by queuing the job and running a short preview encode to validate quality and file size. This saves time versus full runs. Then export the full file, compare results against your target, and save a custom preset so you can repeat the same workflow later. If the file still exceeds limits, reduce the average bitrate, step down resolution, or enable a higher compression profile. And as a troubleshooting tip, check for multiple audio tracks or embedded subtitles increasing size, then remove unused streams to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.